In this video, I will show you how to refund and get your money back on Uber Eats. So if you're having some problem, like for example, there's a missing item or your order hasn't been delivered to you, what you can do is you can head over right here to your account onto your Uber Eats. Now, once you're in here, you can go to the order section and then you can find in here your past orders and you can initiate a refund if available. One option that you can do as well is to just go to the help center of Uber and then just choose in here this accounts and payments. And then for this one, let's choose a payments option. And then I have a payment issue or question. So for this one, you can just share your details and then just wait for Uber to reach back to you regarding your refund and concern. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.